Take a big breath in for me, and then breathe out. Good, now it's right there on my hand. There we go. Now you can just put your hands this side. Your motions with your head, I just want to see what it feels like.
Yeah. Nice.
That's not bad.
Besides zero pain.
That's not bad.
It's just zero
You don't
pain.
feel like it's grinding or anything?
Oh, no. The one you did on the middle of my back.
That one's nice.
So a lot of other chiropractors can't do those things.
You just gotta.
I don't know, because either whether I'm heavy or wide or
No, we
thick.
got some big dudes come in here. I got the one guy comes in here. He played line in football, and he's trying to get below 400. Yeah, that's his goal, is to get back down. I think that's where I'm hung up.
I know. I needed
It's
to
so
find
weird.
You. Oh.
He was an oral surgeon in South America for his career.
No way.
Yeah, moved to Miami, and they said it's too hot. We're not staying here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do a little neck hammock here. Okay, low. Keep that chin tucked. There we go.
Oh my God. You have such power.
It's speed more than power. That's the thing. It's just the speed. It's the 0 to 100 kind of. It's the snappiness of it.
Can I take a nap now? Thank you.
You can in the car if she's driving. Okay, it's gonna be tight. That sounds like a cow moo.
I know.
Oh, almost done. Gotta do a couple more yet. Then we're gonna flip over and get the rest of the neck. Right side's a little more hung up than the left. Not by much, though. Okay. We're gonna get this lower neck down here, right where my hand's at. There we go. We're gonna get them all. You're gonna be like, I didn't think I could make that many noises. Come on this way here now. A little bit higher up than the other one. Feel just a little stuck right there? Good. Okay.